What's happening, guys? We doing another video on what are you doing? Now, today I'm doing something that's it's a bit funny, man. This had me cracking up, but is it going too far? This young man, Dedamac, is doing a prank where he's walking up behind people sneezing. And I mean, some people, some people are not taking that. They're not taking it well, man. And I just the question that I'm asking is it going too far, man? Because a couple of these people got really serious, and one lady got super physical, man. She went to beating on him, and it's is it going too far? I mean, we like to open our phones up, our tablets, and look at these videos and start laughing, but sometimes it's to the detriment of some of the YouTubers and people that's out here making these videos. I heard a few weeks, maybe a month ago, a young man got killed outside of a store or something. He was doing a prank and he was doing a prank where he was acting like he was robbing people, and the young man pulled the gun out and killed him, even though it was a prank. So let's look at this, man. It's funny. I mean, it's funny, but the question that I ask him again, is it too much? I mean, is it going too far? Let's check it out, y'all.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dedamac, and today I'm gonna be face sneezing on people. Basically, when you're shopping, I'm gonna spray this on your neck or your face. So, if you new, like, comment, subscribe, and also follow my Instagram. If y'all wanna see me do any pranks, DM me. Know what I'm saying? And let's get turned up. Peace. Shit.
Damn, bitch, I didn't get that sneeze on me, bro.
My bad, punk ass. You alright? Bro, chill out, bro. Chill out, chill. What you gonna do, clown? Excuse me, man. Shit. My bad, man. I just sneezed.
No.
My bad.
It's a camera around you to
No,
sneeze all
man.
that shit on my back.
My bad, man. I just sneezed. You alright, man? Come on, get it fine. Excuse me, man. It was a joke.
No, you must have some sprayers.
Yeah, look. Listen, water. It's a water.
Bro, why the fuck that shit came in on me like that?
No, I just. My bad, punk ass. You alright? My bad, bro. I sneeze.
Yeah, you good?
Yeah, my bad, bro.
Yeah.
You alright, clown?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Yeah, you good. My bad, clown.
Did you just fucking sneeze on me, bitch?
Bitch, you got me a B word?
Yes, did you fucking just sneeze on me? That shit not funny. Did you just sneeze on me?
It don't matter.
No, it don't matter.
I got the flu. It
I
don't.
don't get, you don't come to no store with no flu.
My bad, man.
No, you don't sneeze on nobody that's nasty.
You alright, clown?
What?
You alright, clown?
Is you alright?
Yeah.
Is you alright, bitch?
Alright. Shit. My bad, bro.
Bro, you did that on purpose.
Y'all didn't, clown.
Hey, bro, I'm coming,
You alright, punk ass? Oh, shit. She even swing. Oh, shit.
bro. Yeah, why y'all feeling me, bro?
Oh, shit.
I did that because I've been seeing stuff
I
on
said, oh,
YouTube.
shit. Chill. Oh my God. Look. Oh, chill. Look. It's a joke. Please, chill. Look, chill. Look, bro. God damn. Shit. Shit. My bad, bro. I sneezed on you. My bad, bro.
What's wrong with you, man?
You alright, clown?
Huh?
You alright, clown?
Huh?
You alright, punk ass?
Huh?
You alright, punk ass?
What you this a skit?
Yeah, man, yeah. Damn. Damn, man. Damn, I ain't leave. I tried to prank you. Fuck. Basically, like, I was gonna sneeze on you, but dang, you walked away quick. Fuck. Damn. Hey, get that black dude right here. Get that black dude. Go straight. Here, get him. Shit, bro. My bad, bro. My bad, bro. You alright?
That's how you roll?
You alright, punk ass?
Huh?
You alright, punk ass?
What you saw me, my nigga?
You alright, punk ass?
My nigga, you sneeze
My
on me.
bad, bro.
You gonna find out what this shit all about,
My
bro.
bad, clown.
What?
My bad, clown. You alright?
Go ahead.
Shit, I had to sneeze, bro.
What?
I had to sneeze, bro.
I can't do that shit again. You don't see.
Excuse me, girl. Shit. My bad, bro. I should know. My bad, bro.
I'm going through the same thing.
My bad, shit, bro. Did it hurt, bro?
Huh?
Did I touch your neck or something, clown?
What?
Did I hit your neck, clown?
Uh-uh.
Nah, this. Okay. Shit. Oh, my bad, man. Oh, shit. My bad. Oh, shit. No, I didn't. It was an accident, man.
Don't spit, fuck that shit. Don't
It was
spit
an
on me
accident,
again.
man.
Don't let this shirt fool you, boo.
It was an accident, man.
I'ma accident your ass.
Man, that's a saw you hit me. That's an accident. You know that, right? That's a saw you hit me.
You spit on me. You could have
No, I didn't.
I don't know what the fuck you got.
Bro, it's an accident, though. You hit me, man. You gonna hit me, man?
That way. You came this way. Fuck you.
Man, you get hit me like that. I'm gonna call the police on your ass, man. Hell yeah, I'm calling law on that ass, bro. She hit my nose, bro. Black girl hit my nose. This shit, bro. What the fuck?
So, like, the reason that I'm doing this, man, because I find some of these videos, these young men and women they do some crazy stuff, man. Because could you imagine being in a store and somebody walking up behind you and you feel it, you feel that wetness, then hit your neck. You know what I'm saying? And it's just I don't know, man. I think it's going too far, but I hope that I guess when they tell people, oh, it's just a joke, people won't take it to heart. But some people, they got some crazy people out here, man. You do that to the wrong one, they will shoot you, you know. So what are you doing, people? This is one of those videos that I'm just having fun doing. So I appreciate y'all, man. I appreciate everybody watching. Like and subscribe. Of course, if y'all like this content, I'm gonna keep doing it. We're gonna keep pushing these videos out, man. But like I said, man, I don't know. I don't know. You're not gonna catch me doing nothing like that because it's too easy. It's too easy for stuff to pop off, man. These young people, they don't. This is their world. This is what they do. This is what they do, and a lot of them making good money. So, y'all, I appreciate y'all, man. I see y'all on the next one. Peace.